Hello, it's Bethany with All Things Posh. Today, I have a treat in store just for you. Let's get into it. We have two unboxings. The first one, well, let me tell you, I love my perfumes. So I purchased a Tiffany, and then I purchased a Coach Dreams. I've opened them. I've already opened them, but I have not taken them out of the box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Box. It's the Tiffany. It's the Tiffany. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Okay, so this is Tiffany. The seller had it listed for $45. Sorry about that. Hey, it's all a part of production, right? Okay, so the seller had this for $45. I offered her $35. Or maybe I offered her $30. She counter offered at $35. So I got this for $35. It normally retails for $100, a little more over $100. So I got this, what did I say? $35. Like I said, I had already opened the box. I didn't want to have to take any time trying to open the box. This seller had bubble wrap. That seller had tissue. This is Coach Dreams. It came with the box. Okay, maybe I should have pre-opened this part too. Small bottle. This one, 30, I think. I got this one for 30. Coach Dreams. Yeah. I don't have my glasses on, so I'm squinting to see where the little spray hole is. Okay, so those are my unboxings. This one is Coach. And this is my Tiffany. I know this retails also for a little over $100 if I'm not mistaken. They're both 1.7 if I'm not mistaken. But again, Poshmark, all things posh. I'm Bethany. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment. Have a good evening. Bye.